Sump pumps can help save your basement from water damage and prevent the cleanup nightmare that comes with a flooded basement. In this guide, we'll explain the role of a sump pump, how they work, what to look out for, and where to buy them at the best rates. So, come and watch our video guide of the 10 best sump pumps. Number 10. Pecticho Submersible Clean Sump Pump. Would you like to make your life simpler with an advanced sump pump? At that point, the Pecticho Submersible Clean Sump Pump is the best guide for you. This pump has a full corrosion-resistant and reinforced thermoplastic construction with thermal overload protection for continuous duty use in draining applications. This submersible pump is compatible with half HP motor, 400 watt of power, and 21 12-gallon-per-hour rating tackles any draining job at a fraction of the time. This submersible sump pump is built to handle water removal or high-capacity recycling duties, helping to handle your heavy water duties more efficiently. The design of this pump is ergonomic, 7.28 pounds weight, and portable handle allow convenient installation from the farther position. The large and open intake impeller of this pump is easy to clean out when the clogging of the sump pump base occurs by debris. Also, this pump is suitable for homes and gardens. Great to drain the clean water from garden pond, water tanks, pools, hot tubs, flooded areas, etc. Number 9. DEKO Swimming Sump Pump. Although there are many types of sump pump in the market, the role of the DEKO Swimming Sump Pump is undeniable. This sump pump can meet your various needs. This submersible water pump easily passes solids up to 0.5 inches in diameter. Great for flooded areas, swimming pools, cellars, or garden ponds. This sump pump is made of thermoplastic composite material that is highly rugged. It is designed and manufactured in line with valid safety requirements. The thermoplastic body resists corrosion as there are no exposed metal parts. This pump offers lower noise and energy efficient. The higher base plate of this pump assures the prevention of debris collection in the sump pit. Thermal overload protection ensures the utility pump operates within spec for longer durability. It features 400 watts of power. The half HP motor of this pump provides a 1981 gallon-per-hour rating tackles any draining job at a fraction of the time. Number 8. Amazon Commercial Submersible Sump Pump. If you've been wondering which is the best sump pump to buy, then the Amazon Commercial Submersible Sump Pump is the right choice. Amazon Commercial 1/3 HP Submersible Sump Pump is designed with stainless steel motor shell and cast iron base, mechanical float switch. This powerful piece of machinery takes the guesswork out of sump maintenance with a heavy-duty split capacitor motor. The Amazon Commercial Sump Pump is made with tough stainless steel and cast iron. It features high-performance operation. It can pump 63 gallons per minute and 3,780 gallons per hour at 0 feet. The Amazon Commercial Sump Pump includes a 23.5-foot vertical water lift, a built-in automatic thermal overload protector, and a 10-foot grounded waterproof cord. Enjoy easy, automatic operation with the Amazon Commercial Sump Pump's integral snap-action float switch, allowing it to work on its own even when underwater. Number 7. Simmer Utility Sink Sump Pump. If you're one of those people who love to use things made in simmer, this sump pump is the ideal pick. It looks small and light, but it is beautiful and delivers an unbeatable performance no matter how rough you use it. The Simmer 2935B is a fully automatic pump that attaches directly to the drain of your laundry or utility sink. When it senses water entering the sink, it turns itself on and pumps the water out. This compact design pump is made of thermoplastic for quiet and trouble-free operation. This pump automatically turns on once it senses water. It is perfect for basement laundry, utility, or bar sinks where discharge water needs to be pumped up to a discharge drain pipe. This is a super lightweight pump, so handleability is much easier than lugging around a heavy cast iron pump. The pump is also very compact and can fit into snug spots where a larger pump could never get to. Number 6. The Basement WATCHDOG Sump Pump. If you're searching for a simple-to-work regular convey with an exemplary style, look no further than the Basement WATCHDOG Sump Pump. The Basement WATCHDOG Big Combo is a pre-assembled energy-efficient half-horsepower cast iron and cast aluminum primary pump combined with the Basement WATCHDOG Special Connect battery backup sump pump system. This pump includes a Basement WATCHDOG AC pump and a Basement WATCHDOG battery backup system, already assembled for easy installation. It has a unique monitoring controller that sounds like an alarm if maintenance is needed. The Basement WATCHDOG combination sump pump system is designed to provide both primary and backup pumping capabilities. The primary pump will operate as long as it is receiving AC power. If the power is interrupted or more water is coming into the sump than the AC pump can handle, the backup sump pump will begin pumping automatically. The backup system has unique monitoring features that diagnose a problem and sound an alarm. Number 5. FLUENTPOWER Stainless Steel Sump Pump. Do you need the best sump pump for your everyday carry? No tension. FLUENTPOWER Stainless Steel Sump Pump, the best solution for your problem. FLUENTPOWER is one of the best sump pumps in the market. This pump is portable and energy-saving that has a maximum capacity of transferring water up to 3,300 gallons per hour and max delivery height is 26 feet, 2,200 gallons per hour on a 10-foot discharge lift. It is compatible with pure copper motor with thermal protection. The pure copper motor can bring better and more lasting work to the pump. The thermal protector ensures that the pump will not be burned out. Even when the pump triggers a thermal protector, the pump will rework after cooling down. The pump features a durable sealing structure that ensures that the submersible pump has a longer lifetime and more effective pumping, so that pump can be used for farms, swimming pools, fountains, flooded basements and drainage in typical residential or commercial water transfer applications. This pump also comes with a long 26.2 feet cable cord. It can be installed for automatic operation or used in temporary situations. Number 4. Homdox Submersible Water Sump Pump. If you aren't sure just how much you're going to use a sump pump, or you're on the fence about whether to choose a sump pump, this Homdox Submersible Water Sump Pump is a low-risk choice for the users. This submersible pump is not only a clean water pump, but also a dirty water submersible pump. Using the additional pipe connection to attach your garden hose, you can use it immediately. This sump pump is made of corrosion-resistant thermoplastic for long life. It features a portable handle for maximum comfort. Additionally, this pump comes with an automatic float switch. This automatic shutoff float provides more safety. When the water level rises above 8 inches, the pump will start working automatically under the control of the float switch. This multi-purpose pump is designed for numerous residential uses including flooded basements, window wells, spas, cisterns, sumps, and flooding in low-lying areas. Never worry again that your dry basement will be affected on rainy days. It is also designed and manufactured in line with valid safety requirements. Number 3. Superior Pump Submersible Sump Pump. If you need a pump but don't want to spend the big dollars, the Superior Pump is a good choice. This pump is 100% factory tested. Superior Pump uses quality components including solid copper motor windings, heavy-duty stainless steel jacketed shaft seals, double O-ring seals on a motor plate, and electronically controlled split capacitors. This Superior Pump has a 1/3 HP motor. This sump pump moves up to 2,760 gallons per hour. The pump will lift water up to 25 feet of vertical height. It has an upgraded durable stainless steel impeller for improved performance. This pump is equipped with a suction screen to filter out large debris and handles up to 0.375-inch solids with ease. This pump is UL/CUL listed and CSA certified and backed by a 3-year warranty. However, if you're looking for a great sump pump to collect, carry, or use, don't pass this one up. Number 2. Wayne Stainless Steel Sump Pump. The Wayne CDU 980E submersible sump pump can move up to 5,490 gallons per hour. The top suction design filters debris and minimizes clogging. This pump is designed for 11-inch diameter and larger sump pits. Intended for indoor use only. It's a submersible sump pump, making it quieter than pedestal-type pumps. This is useful if you spend a lot of time in your basement and don't want a noisy pump to interrupt your movies and projects. This submersible sump pump is rugged and made of stainless steel and cast iron. Also, this pump comes with a powerful 3 or 4 HP motor that moves up to 5,490 gallons per hour, which is more than other pumps we researched, including several more expensive models. Durability is another standout feature of the Wayne. Because this submersible pump rests in the bottom of a sump pit, it's harder to reach for regular maintenance than a pedestal pump. This isn't enough of an inconvenience for most folks, but matters if you have trouble bending down or laying on the floor for occasional debris removal. Number 1. Zoeller Submersible Sump Pump. When you have residential or commercial wastewater issues, you can count on Zoeller pumps to deliver the very best solutions. Our commitment to top quality offers you years of service and durability. The Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate sump pump is a top choice of plumbers and contractors because of its cast iron switch case, motor, and pump housing. This sump pump is constructed of cast iron, which if you've read the other reviews you already know is a top design for durability and heat dissipation. It has an engineered thermoplastic-based and a glass-filled, plastic impeller with a metal insert. Zoeller sump pumps are known for their high quality and years of durability. Zoeller is another heavy hitter in the sump pump industry with a long-standing reputation based on their dependency and longevity. It isn't the most efficient or most powerful unit you can buy, but it will get the job done for most average situations, and since it's got an automatic switch, you can install and forget. Hope you have no hesitation about the best sump pumps. Don't be late, choose your favorite one now, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.